The WYBOT C1 Pool Vacuum is designed to deliver an efficient cleaning experience with its upgraded water pump motor and dual PVC brushes, effectively tackling debris and dirt on all pool surfaces. This robotic pool vacuum offers comprehensive cleaning modes, ensuring thorough coverage of pool floors, walls, and water lines for a pristine swimming environment. With an impressive battery life of up to 150 minutes, the WYBOT C1 ensures extended cleaning sessions, and its rapid charging capability means it is ready to go in about 3 hours. The intelligent path planning feature, with both S-path and wall climbing options, allows the vacuum to navigate the pool precisely, minimizing missed areas. Its large top-load filter cartridges are easy to clean, trapping debris efficiently for optimal performance and a crystal-clear pool. Suitable for in-ground pools up to 65 feet long and a water depth of 9.8 feet, this vacuum is ideal for larger pool sizes.